we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it in English? It is generally said as Angela. Angela, with an emphasis on that first syllable. In American English it would sound more as Angela, Angela. In other languages and other countries, like in German for example, this could be said and is said as Angela, Angela also, but in English, Angela, it is said as. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.